So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can calculate sums using summation notation in a TI-NSpire CXII. So the first thing we want to do is open up a new Scratchpad, calculate, and now let's say we want to find the sum of the first 5 perfect squares. So what we'll need to do, come over to Menu, we want Calculus, Sum. Right, so we need to define our summation index will be. Let's use K. Then equals, so starting point, we'll go to 1, to 5, and then K squared. Right, and then just hit enter, and you can see that that gives you 55. So that means that 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 5 squared is 55. And that is how you use summation notation on a TI-NSpire CXII.